Today, we're adding another layer to our prompt engineering skills, controlling AI with constraints. This is about guiding the AI to stay exactly within the boundaries you set. Think of constraints as your way of putting boundaries on the AI's creativity. They tell the AI, you're brilliant, but for this task, I need you to stick to these specific rules. This is important for getting precise, tailored results and avoiding unwanted output. Let's look at an example. If you simply ask the AI, write a professional bio about a virtual assistant, the output might be a decent bio, but its length could vary widely. What if you need it for a LinkedIn summary that has a strict character limit? That's when you add a length constraint. By refining your prompt to write a professional bio about a virtual assistant. Constraint. The bio must be exactly 50 words long. Now you've given the AI a clear numerical boundary. It will work to produce a bio that fits that precise word count, saving you significant editing time. This makes your AI output immediately ready for its intended use. Constraints aren't just about length, they can also control content. Imagine you need a short blog post about productivity tips, but you want to avoid common overused advice like make a to do list, and you must include a tip about automation tools. Without constraints, the AI might include those generic tips. But with constraints, you can say, write a short blog post about productivity tips for virtual assistants. Constraint. Do not mention to-do lists or time blocking. Include a tip about using automation tools. Now the AI understands exactly what to exclude and what to prioritize, giving you truly unique and targeted content. And you can get even more specific. Constraints can also control the format and even the tone of your output. Let's say you need a quick summary, not an essay, and you want it to sound like an expert. You can add format and persona constraints. By instructing the AI to respond in a bulleted list format and adopt the persona of a senior HR consultant, you are shaping not just the content, but the entire presentation. The AI will structure its response exactly as you've requested and use the professional, authoritative language of an HR consultant. This is how you go from getting a simple answer to a polished professional deliverable. So, to recap, you can apply several types of constraints to your prompts. We've covered length constraints for word or character counts, content constraints to include or exclude specific topics, format constraints to dictate the structure like a bulleted list or a table, and even persona constraints to control the tone and voice. Mastering constraints is the key to moving from a passive user of AI to an active director. It allows you to get more precise, relevant, and useful outputs on your very first attempt, saving you countless hours of editing and refinement. Practice using these controls and you'll elevate your prompt engineering skills significantly.